Figure shown below, contact surface are perfectly smooth. Capital M, small m indicates the mass. When the object of mass m starts sliding down due to force of gravity, then center of mass of the system will what? So for this arrangement, the uh, center of mass remains at a certain point. For this, center of mass lies at this point. So this of the coordinate fixed coordinate x1 y1, but this x2 y2 changes at each instant because this moves down. As this changes at each instant, we know we have the formula xcm equals to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 divided by m1 plus m2. As this is the formula, x2 y2 changes at each instant. As x2 changes, xcm also changes. Similarly, ycm formula is m1 y1 plus m2 y2 divided by what? m1 plus m2. This is ycm. As y2 changes at each instant, ycm also changes at each instant. So changes both in horizontally and vertically. So option D is correct.